Searching for a real Hostinger coupon code or Hostinger review? Let me quickly answer the most common questions. Yes, Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of their plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll get an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this quick Hostinger review, the answer to "Is it good?" is simple. Hostinger gives you fast speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, so creating a website is easy even for beginners. And if you're wondering about pricing in your country, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. Prices update instantly. Hostinger is often listed as one of the best web hosting options available. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.